Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out SKD's Gel Blaster. Let's go ahead and show you what you get inside the box. Alright, so you get one pack of ammo, recharger for the battery, your battery, manual, goggles. You get, put your hopper right on top of here, just slides just in like that. So, this is the trigger. You have your on and off button right here. Battery goes inside there. Overall, pretty nice. It lights up blue when you shoot. Overall, very nice gel blaster. We already got some ammo lined up. You thread that on the top here. So, this has good accuracy. Let's try further away. Yeah, even from far distance, this thing's got good accuracy. And we just started, so as we learn it, pretty awesome. Yeah, so once you learn it, definitely shoots far. Definitely gets a pass. Works really well.